Did you know that West Africa is a treasure trove of mineral wealth waiting to be discovered? Picture this, a country rich in a myriad of precious resources, from bauxite to gold, diamonds to uranium. Now, imagine the potential uses of these resources and the industries they can support. This is the reality of Guinea Conakry. Bauxite, a rock that is primarily used in the production of aluminum, is abundant in Guinea Conakry. The country's vast reserves of this mineral are a testament to its untapped potential. Aluminum, a byproduct of bauxite, is a versatile material with various uses. From packaging to transportation, construction to electronics, aluminum is a staple in numerous industries. Gold, a symbol of wealth and prosperity, is another resource that Guinea Conakry is blessed with. Used in jewelry, electronics, and even in space technology, gold is a resource that never ceases to be in demand. The presence of this precious metal in Guinea Conakry signals a golden opportunity for investment. Diamonds, the hardest known material to man, are also found in Guinea Conakry. Used not only in jewelry, but also in industrial applications such as cutting and grinding tools, diamonds are a valuable resource that holds immense potential. Uranium, a resource that powers our world, is another gem that Guinea Conakry has to offer. Used in nuclear power plants to generate electricity, the availability of uranium in Guinea Conakry opens up opportunities in the energy sector. But the wealth of Guinea Conakry doesn't stop at its mineral resources. The country's strategic location, with its vast port that can accommodate numerous ships, makes it an ideal hub for manufacturing industries. From furniture to vehicles, clothes to electronics, the possibilities are endless. So picture this, a country rich in resources, strategically located and ripe with potential. That's Guinea Conakry for you. Consider the opportunities, imagine the possibilities, and think about the potential return on investment. It's time to invest in the future, it's time to invest in Guinea Conakry.